In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Telegram channels that you left. Now, the first thing that I recommend that you guys do is open up any web browser. Then please go ahead and look up TGStat just like so. Then go to the official tgstat.com website right over here. And this is a website that will basically allow you to join Telegram groups. Now, here is where the tricky part comes in. You want to go ahead and put in the name of your group. So try your absolute best to remember what the name of the group was. Then you want to go to the search bar and then just type it in. So let's go ahead and just type in nature, for example. We can go ahead and do that really quickly. And then there you go. We can now go ahead and find that group. So typically the group is going to appear whenever you search it up. You may need to scroll down a little bit, but again, it is really important that you actually know what the group name is, or at least try to remember some of it, because typically, even if you get it a little bit wrong, it is going to give you a bunch of suggested groups and stuff like that. So you should be able to find it, but all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it just like so. And then it is going to automatically open up Telegram, and then it should redirect you back into your group. And then you just want to go ahead and press on join just like so. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.